Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. I am the owner of Sticker Guru. It's run by my sister Lucy and I started Sticker Guru back in 2016 when I was 17 in high school, and since then I have gone to college, graduated, survived a pandemic, and now I am a full-time sticker shop owner, and I have been a full-time sticker shop owner since graduating from college. So last year, Lucy and I started Big Plans Academy, and we help other aspiring entrepreneurs learn how to make stickers and eventually create their own sticker shop. So most recently we have been working on a live program called Stick to Success, and basically it's designed to help you launch your sticker shop in 5 weeks. So currently enrollment is open for that program. I'll leave a link in the description. But if you're not sure if you want to start a sticker shop just yet, I'll leave a free webinar in the description, and that will give you a roadmap from start to launch so you know exactly what it takes to start a sticker shop. So all that to say, in this video I'm going to be talking about exactly how much money I made selling stickers on Etsy during my first year of being a sticker shop. Keep in mind, I did start my sticker shop back in 2016. My niche is planner stickers and stickers for your journal. And then lastly, I was 17 when I started, so I had absolutely no business or marketing knowledge whatsoever. But I wanted to make this video to just show a little transparency of how much sticker shops can make, and hopefully this video inspires you or enlightens you that you don't have to be any age to start a business, a successful business. And before I get into this video, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know what type of sticker shop you would want to open. And if you're not already, be sure to subscribe for more sticker shop content. And I have my laptop here, so let's go ahead and dive into some analytics. Okay, so I have my laptop here. I'm gonna pull up the stats on my Etsy account. So I started my sticker shop on Etsy back in 2016. We were on Etsy for 2.5 years before switching over to Shopify. We're still on Etsy to this day, but most of our sales come from Shopify. Let's see. So I'm currently on Etsy stats, and it looks like you can't pull information from before November 1st of 2017. So I'm gonna have to figure out a different way of grabbing this information. Download all the orders, or let's see, I'm gonna for this. Okay, an update. After chatting with Etsy support, it looks like I can download my order information, my sold orders from 2016 through a CSV file. Okay, let's get that downloaded. Okay, finding this information was a lot harder, but I have the spreadsheet pulled up, and I'm gonna go through month by month of how much I made, starting with January. And then I'm gonna keep a tally over here of the total for each month. So let's go ahead and start with January. Okay, so I started my shop in January of 2016. I believe it was like January 4th when I started. So the very first month of running my sticker shop, I made $532.07. Disclaimer, this is going to be the total amount, and so I'm not counting any credit card fees or Etsy fees. Okay, so my first month, 500 bucks, pretty good. Pretty good for being 17, you know. Prior to this, I did not have a job. All throughout high school, I was not allowed to get a job. My parents really wanted me to focus on academics and getting good grades, so I was literally banned from getting a job. So hence why I wanted to start a little side hustle. So my first month, $500. Out of my entire 7 years, I think this might be my lowest month. So moving on to February, I made $2,751.38. So a big jump from January. I made like 2.2K extra Really good. I'm proud of myself. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, I think this is the month I learned that you can run an Etsy sale, so I must have ran some sort of sale to get that many more orders. Okay, and then in March, I made $1,894.30. So a little bit down from February, but still really strong. Moving on to April, I made $2,396.47. So a little bit up from March. Then in May, I made $2,070.53. So I'm keeping it pretty consistent. So in June, I made $2,763.39. June was when I graduated from high school, so I basically had the whole summer to work on my sticker shop before starting college in September. So let's see how I did that summer. So in July, I made $1,464.70. So a little bit of a drop. I think this has to do with the fact that I didn't do any new releases during that month. So since I was going off to college in September, my summer plan was to design as many new releases as possible and to release them before I went to college. So I didn't have any new stuff coming out during like July or August. So I think that's why July was a lower month. So moving on to August, I made $2,839.91. So I think this has to do with the fact that I ran some sort of sale. I want to say it was my birthday sale. So my birthday is in early September, so I think I did like a birthday / Labor Day sale that started at the tail end of August and ran through Labor Day. So get ready, because in September I made $5,156.62, and I'm just gonna pat myself on the back right there because I know that was for sure from that birthday sale, and that's why that month was so good, despite the fact that I was leaving for college at the end of the month. So since I was leaving for college and I wasn't going to be able to really run my sticker shop anymore, I trained my mom to learn how to fill orders. So I was having her fill orders while I was at college, but I wasn't releasing anything new. So let's see if that had any effect on my sales for the last 3 months of the year. So in October, I made $3,112.40. So really good. And then in November, I made $3,050.65. So in my 3000 era, clearly. And then in December, I made $2,207.31. So I finished the year out pretty strong, in my opinion, considering the fact that I wasn't really releasing any new stuff. And I wasn't really promoting my products since I was busy with school. The sticker shop was still thriving during this time. So the grand total of this entire year of 2016, my first year of running a sticker shop, I made, drum roll please, I made $30,039.73. So that is definitely pretty wild, considering the fact that I was 17, 18, never had a job before this, and really was just a side hustle for me that I love doing. So in my opinion, truly a great first year, and I hope this video gave you a little bit of insight of how much you can make as a sticker shop owner, even if you're just doing it as a side hustle. Leave a comment if you thought this number would be more or less. I've been running Sticker Guru for over 7 years now, and I went full-time with it back in June 2020. So if you're curious of how much I make, let me know if you want me to share our other years. And again, if you are interested in starting your own sticker shop, definitely recommend checking out the free webinar in the description. I'll have it linked. It'll be like the first link in the description. And be sure to subscribe for more sticker shop content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!